It looked pretty simple. Gonna put some new pipes in the RV. Oh, but you can't just do that. First, you've got a bunch of other things that have to be done.
I got that yesterday along with some of the plumbing. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we'll see what happens.
Okay, what does a screwdriver have to do with plumbing? Well, I'm a newbie at all this, and I have to learn as I go. One thing I've learned is you can't just do anything without having to do 3 or 4 other things. I needed that screwdriver so I could remove the bed, so I could get to the guts, and hopefully
get that plumbing done. Take that off. And then these. Alright, here we go. I had to go to Home Depot this morning because I'm at a point where I need this tool. But while I was there, you know, I messed this up. Can you see it? Oh. See how the twist? I cannot get that off for the life of me. I tried just pushing one, pulling the other, different ways. It just, the copper turns. So ultimately, now I have to cut that off. Since I had to do that, then I have to get a new. I'm going to try this compression. I went online and a lot of things said different. Everybody says something different. So I'm going to try a compression one. And I got a cap for it because I don't have a hot water heater until next week. I got a deburring tool because I didn't have one. And that's going to be important. So, the other thing, there's Pooch. He doesn't like this. Line up cutting wheel with cutting line on tubing. How about cutting? Rotate cutter around tubing. Tightening. This wheel is hard to turn after a while, and then it loosens up. How does it do that? So I followed the instructions to deburr it, which is just to run this little blade around on the edge until it's smooth. It is. Okay, I think we finally got it. It's on. Propane's on. I hear no sounds. I gave it the bubble test. I'll try it again. You can help me see if you see any bubbles anywhere. that's rotted. And coming through that window for all those years. So I got a new piece of wood in there, but I'm going to use this epoxy. I had some left. I didn't know what I had it left for. It's total bulk penetrating epoxy. You mix it and it re-strengthens the wood. So I'm going to do that. So I watched lots of videos yesterday on how to use a saw. Circular saw. Underneath. Maybe even raise it up a little bit higher. See? I got the hot water heater yesterday. I don't know if that's going to work or not. It's a Marley tankless. I looked at the instructions. I don't know. But first, I have to get this. All right. So yesterday I was working on the plumbing. And I got one side on, I couldn't get the other side on. And I tried everything. Then I realized I have this piece here, if you can see, that came with it. If I took that off, it would be easier. So I'm going to try to loosen that up. Supposedly, we can do it with the heater on. Well, I got it off. I had to hack it off. I tried everything. That heat gun did nothing to loosen the glue. Now I got a mess. I have to figure out how to connect it again. But now I can at least get in there to work. I think I can get that other one off just by a connector. Okay. Okay, I wanted to show you how this other cutter is that I got. This is a shark bite cutter. It's supposed to be a roller. roll it. Notice there's the original one, there wasn't. Yes. Good. Just clamp that back on. And do the other one.
Okay, I am ready to go. Oh, man.
Not sure what happened to our spring.
Alright, subscribe to my channel so you can get my follow-up. Leave me a comment and come back.